Hey guys, how are your texts doing? And by texts, I mean, how about the subject lines of your email newsletters? Do they really entice people to open your emails? And how about your website? Does your headline spark enough interest that people will scroll down and find out more about your product? And how about those precious call to action buttons that you place anywhere on your website, in your emails, on your landing pages? Do they really make people click and sign up for your trial? Give them their email address to you. Have you actually learned how to write compelling copy? How to write those conversion-driving headlines that really make people sign up for your trial? This is what I'm going to show you in this video. Good texts, good headlines, good copy makes all the difference, whether people will really sign up for your trial or get lost, move on, and you will never hear from them again. But who actually writes the copy in your business? I mean, if you're just starting out, that's probably you yourself. And then when you grow, you just keep writing. Then you have a trainee, maybe a marketing guy. But probably you don't have a professional copywriter. And by the way, those do cost a fortune. To be honest, I was struggling for many years coming up with copy. First of all, it took me ages to write down the texts, and then it wouldn't really convert. Like this old homepage of mine. Have a look. But then I did extensive research, and I found there's actually a proven and quite simple formula that in just 4 steps guarantees that you are going to write sizzling hot interest-creating headlines. Headlines that are going to really make people sign up for your trial, and copy that is really going to convert those trial users to paying customers. But before I jump into those 4 steps, just a short heads up. At the end of this video, I will show you where you can get my exact templates. Those 2 templates I use to just fill in the blanks and come up with great headlines and great copy. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Step number 1, discover pains, challenges, and dreams. And I'm going to be brutally honest here. Your clients don't care at all about your product or service. All they care about is themselves. What's in it for them? So there's like 2 big questions. Question number 1, how can you help your clients solve those pains, solve those challenges, and make their lives better? And question number 2, how can you help your clients achieve their dreams, achieve their aspirations? Meaning, how can you help them get where they want? You really need to get into their heads. What's driving them? What's keeping them up at night? So just think back to your recent conversations with clients, or if you have some raving fans, just call and ask them. Another great resource to find out about your clients' pains and challenges is online forums like Quora or Reddit. Just go there and search for the industry of your client. So what questions are they asking? What problems are they facing? And don't worry whether you already have an idea how your product or service can help your clients really solve those problems and challenges. Now it's just about making a big list of all those pains, challenges, and also, of course, of the dreams of where your clients want to be. Step number 2, list all your features. So I guess that's a quite straightforward one. I mean, like, you've developed your software or SaaS solution for many years, or your products or services. So just go through it and create a long list of all the big features. But don't forget about the small features, because sometimes, from the perspective of your clients, a small feature might have a great impact on their lives, right? So in this step, just make this really long list of all the features, and once you got the list, just group them into like feature areas or similar groups or categories. Step number 3, matching your pains, challenges, and dreams with your features. Now this is the really interesting part. And there is an easy but quite powerful formula. And that's pain plus feature equals benefit. So let's look at the 3 possible cases here. Let's say you have a feature that does not help at all solve any of your client's pain. So that does not help at all get him where he wants to be. Well, this feature from the point of view of your client is quite useless. Maybe your tool shouldn't even have that feature. Now, on the other hand, if there is a pain that your client is really facing and you have no feature at all to help him with that pain, well, that's not very interesting either. But now let's look at the match. So there's a big pain your client is struggling with, and you have one or several features to help him with that pain. Well, this is the moment where you create true benefits for your client. And this is the moment you can really convince him, you can really sell him on your solution, right? So let's look at an example here. Let's say you have a task management part in your software or SaaS, and you've just added these new features of being able to assign tasks to specific people. The feature itself, well, sounds quite boring. But what's the pain behind it? Well, maybe your client doesn't know which of his colleagues or team members is working on what project. Okay, so now by combining the feature of task management and assigning tasks with that pain, it becomes powerful, it becomes a benefit. So let's say, well, always know what all of your teammates and colleagues are working on by assigning tasks to them. You see the difference? Now you've turned a boring feature into a tangible benefit for your client. And this is what we're going for. And by the way, by creating this pain, challenge, dream versus feature matrix, you've just created a super powerful resource for your whole sales and marketing department. Because it doesn't matter whether you're doing a one-on-one sales call, a one-on-one sales presentation, maybe recording a demo video of your software. Every time you communicate with your clients, every time you're selling your product, it's important to touch on those pains, dreams, and challenges, and of course, to combine those with your features to create those benefits, right? So this resource that you create once, you can then distribute throughout your whole company to really empower all your sales and marketing guys, even the project guys, to be able to communicate better with your clients, to connect better with your clients. And this will ultimately help you build trust and rapport, because your clients now really feel that you understand their pains and challenges, that you really want to help them, and of course with your tool, product or service, that you're really capable of actually helping them out and getting them where they want. Step number 4. Now let's take all this and turn it into compelling conversion driving copy. And again, it's just a formula. There's no magic involved. And the trick is to always start with your client, to always start with his pains, challenges, dreams or aspirations. And then you back that up with the specific features of your product or service, how you help them solve it. So there's basically 2 sub-formulas here. Stop having that pain by using that feature, or get that big benefit by using that feature. And that's all there is. So as I pointed out at the beginning of this video, I have like 2 really great templates for you. So one template, just fill in the blanks, helps you make that big list of pains, dreams and challenges, big list of features, and then connect those. And the second template are my favorite headline and copy formulas. Again, just fill in the blanks. You have like great examples, like stop worrying about this and that pain by starting to use this and that feature. So you get a great list of all these sort of headline templates that you just fill in using the research and this great pain feature matrix you've created before. So if you haven't already, go down below or next to this video. You can sign up for the newsletter and I will send you those 2 templates right away so that you can start creating compelling conversion driving headlines and copy right away. And that's my tip for you. Just sign up below, get those templates, and then start maybe with your website. Have a second look at your website. Are you talking about yourself, just about your features? Or do you already have your clients' pains and aspirations on your mind? And if so, just create that matrix and transform the headlines of your website into compelling, conversion-driving headlines that really make people sign up for your trial, sign up for your service. Or when you write your next newsletter, think about the subject line, how you can implement some pain or benefit right into the subject line. Or when you're recording your next YouTube video, your next software demo, or your next software tutorial, always lead with the pain, lead with the dreams of your clients, and then back it up with your specific features so that you don't make empty promises, but really show and tell how your product, your service, your SaaS, your software helps your client get where he wants. That's all there is. So again, sign up below, and I'm happy to send those ready fill-in-the-blanks templates over to you to step up your game and to really get more signups for your trial and also convert more of those to happy paying customers. Thank you, and see you in the next one.